Welcome to Mac Volkswagen TV.
Hello, this is Joe Hergert with Mac Volkswagen.
At Mac Volkswagen, we like to have fun. As the driver or owner of the car, it is your responsibility to read the manual, to understand how to properly maintain your tires. Never drive on underinflated tires. Always be sure your tires are in good condition, have adequate tread depth, and are inflated to the proper pressure. Also, remember to rotate your tires every 5,000 miles. You're on a road trip in your ID4. Your tire pressure warning light comes on. What do? Turn on your flashers and find a safe place to pull over. Then call Volkswagen Roadside Assistance. 800-411-6688. 800-411-6688. Sit back and wait for the tow truck. The tow truck can tow you to your nearest Volkswagen store or your nearest tire store. If you don't have a cell phone signal, don't worry. You have options. First thing you'll want to do is make sure that you're far enough off the road that you can safely walk all the way around your vehicle. Next, check your center screen. Find which tire is low on air. Go to your cargo area, and all the way in the bottom, you'll find a tire pump. That's right, Volkswagen has provided you with an electric tire pump. Here's the tire pump that Volkswagen has provided you with. It has some instructions on it. Make sure you read your owner's manual and make sure you know the right tire pressure to inflate your tires to. On the left side of your cargo area, you'll find a 12-volt outlet. Plug the tire pump into the 12-volt outlet. You'll also want to turn your ID4 on. Since normally when you just sit down in your ID4, it automatically comes on, you might not know that it has a power button, but it does. On the right side of your steering wheel column, there's a power button. While stepping on your brake, go ahead and push that button to turn your ID4 on. Then you can go back and attach the tire pump to the tire that is low on air. You can find the proper tire pressure right here on your door jamb or in your owner's manual. You want to be sure and inflate not only the tire that is low, but all 4 tires to the proper pressure. The neat thing about having a tire pressure repair kit is that you can always just inflate your tires. You've got your own little tire pump here. You can inflate your tires. Just twist this on until it's not making any more noise. It actually says this one's about 20, maybe about 29, 28 pounds. This is probably the one that it was saying was low. So we're going to go ahead and inflate this one. There we go. That actually didn't take too long. Once you've inflated all 4 tires to the proper pressure, you can reset your tire pressure monitoring system. On your menu, just go to Vehicle, then press Tire Pressure. It says, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Please check all 4 tire pressures and set to required values, then press Set. it's very important that you make sure that all 4 of your tires have the right pressure before you set the system. If you suspect that your tire has a leak and has not just lost a little pressure, there's another option. You'll see here on the instructions with your tire pump, it shows a little canister of sealant. It also shows that you must use the canister of sealant upside down. So here is that canister of sealant. This isn't my Volkswagen ID4, and I didn't want to unwrap this, so unfortunately I can't show you an actual full process of using the sealant. But I can tell you that you'll have to use it, and you'll have to put it upside down and attach the hose of your tire pump to one side and then attach the other side to the tire. You'll have to make sure that you read all of the instructions and see exactly how this is done. You want to fill the tire completely with the sealant, and then once you've filled the tire completely with the sealant, you'll want to inflate the tire with the tire pump to the right pressure. Whether you inflate your tire with the sealant or without the sealant, remember this is a temporary fix. You'll need to get safely to your nearest Volkswagen store or tire store and have someone check your tires. Please drive even more carefully than you normally do after you've inflated your tires using the sealant or the tire pressure repair kit. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more videos from Mac Volkswagen TV. Mac Volkswagen, in the heart of wine country.